Meaning of diffusely.
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 Diffusely. The term diffusely refers to something that is spread out or dispersed over a wide area, lacking clarity or focus. When used to describe a medical condition, it often indicates an abnormality that is not well-defined or limited to a specific location. For example, a diffusely enlarged thyroid gland would refer to one that has grown in size throughout its entirety rather than in one specific area. In general, the adverb diffusely suggests a lack of precision or specificity, and instead implies a more widespread or general phenomenon.